In front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos and clicking on Photos or Library at the bottom. If you decided to select photos, hold the chosen one. And then to pick multiple right away, use those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. If you decided to select Library, click on one of your folders, then hold one of your pictures and click on the same type of dot. This time though, use this bin at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!